Hello guys, welcome to Smart Horizon. I am Bhavna Chawla. So our next step is to trace or draw the design on our canvas. So you can simply draw it with a pencil or a pen directly onto the canvas or trace it like I am sharing it with you. For this we will be needing the canvas, the surface on which we will be creating our sand painting, the design that we want to trace onto the canvas, and for tracing we need a carbon paper. It can be blue or a black one. It's up to you. This is my design, that is a Ganpati, Lord Ganesha. Now I'll paste the carbon paper and the design onto the canvas. Like first we will place our canvas, then our carbon paper and our sheet. For pasting it to our canvas, we'll be needing sellotape so that we can fix it to the canvas. For this, we will take sellotape and I'll paste it on the canvas. Same I'll do with the bottom side of the canvas. That is it. It will fix our design to the canvas so that it will not move when we draw it. Next, we will be needing a pen or a pencil to draw the design. So we'll start drawing. This is the modak, the laddu. This is the hand, the palm of Ganpati, as if like he is giving us blessings. Now, this is the trunk of Lord Ganpati. What you actually need is a sharp object to draw it. If you don't have a pen, it is okay. You can use any sharp object from which you can draw. This is the teeth, the ear, eyes. As it's a side face, we'll only have to draw one eye, not the other one. And finally, the face outlining. This is a flower. You can take any design you want to do. I am doing it with this one. You can have any design, and as I said, you can actually draw it on a canvas by your hand. I always prefer to trace it, as it's easy to draw something on a paper. It is difficult to draw something on a canvas. This is our complete design. Now we will remove the sellotape from both the ends and we'll see the result. As we have removed our design and the carbon paper, we'll get this. If we have some gap, we can cover it with the help of a pen or a pencil. So this is our tracing part. In next video, we will learn how to color it. If you like my video, kindly subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon for the notifications.